Hey everyone, welcome to Techy Man. If your HP OfficeJet Pro printer is showing the error code Oxc19a0040, don't worry, we've got you covered. This error usually points to an ink system failure, often caused by clogged cartridges or printhead issues. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick steps to fix it. First, power off your printer and unplug it for about 60 seconds. Remove all the ink cartridges and gently clean the printhead with a lint-free cloth. Reinsert the cartridges, plug your printer back in, and turn it on. If the error persists, try updating the printer firmware or resetting the printer to factory settings. Still seeing the error or not comfortable doing this yourself? Call our experts at Techy Man for help. Our toll-free number is 1-866-203-7571. We handle HP printer issues like this every day and can get your printer back to work fast. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy printer repair tips from Techy Man.